And I woke up to a text from a friend that said, unless I hear otherwise from you, I'm bringing you dinner. And I was like, what? Are you kidding me? And I texted her and said, sorry, I was napping. Thank you so much. I'm like so touched because our family has been kind of living off of, I don't know, macaroni and cheese, quesadillas, like the kids have not been getting real meals because of how busy Jeremy's been and how I've been feeling so sick.
What do you think of my outfit?
I don't like it.
You think, you don't like it? Do you think I look attractive in this?